All right, let me show you this toolkit that's been such a lifesaver to have around my house, and it comes with pretty much everything you could possibly ever need to do any project around your house. In fact, the electric drill and screwdriver recently saved me from an entire afternoon when I was trying to put a patio set together, and the instructions said put all what felt like 1,000,001 screws in with an Allen wrench, but this drill is actually very powerful and got the job done in absolutely no time. But my favorite feature of this toolkit has got to be the magnetic screwdriver. It is such a lifesaver when you're trying to get screws in those hard to reach places. The screw will magnetically stick to the screwdriver, so you can just stick it in the hole and screw it in. No more dropping the screws a million times. And I also love that it comes in a complete carrying case, which makes keeping it on a garage shelf or in a closet just so convenient. You can pull it out, open it up, use what you need, put it back without having to drag out a million things to do a quick household project. Now, all the tools snap tightly into place in this case, so they don't come out or move as you carry it around. It's also not very heavy at all. As a small person, I can carry this one-handed. For the price, this is a top quality toolkit I can highly recommend.